I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the date bigger on your iPhone lock screen. First, ensure your iPhone is updated to at least iOS 16 for these features. Begin by waking your iPhone and swiping down from the top to reveal the lock screen. Next, long press anywhere on the lock screen until the customization options appear. Then, tap the Customize button located at the bottom of your screen to proceed. Once in customization mode, you will see two options, Lock Screen and Home Screen. Select Lock Screen to modify its appearance. Now, tap directly on the date display at the very top of your screen. This action will open a gallery of available widgets. Look for and select a larger date widget that suits your preference from the presented choices. After selecting your date widget, you can further enhance its visibility. Tap on the time display, which also controls the date's font and color. A menu will appear, allowing you to scroll through various font styles. Choose a bolder or thicker font to make the date more prominent. Additionally, select a color that provides good contrast against your wallpaper, ensuring maximum readability. Once you are satisfied with your date's size, font, and color, it is time to save your modifications. Tap the Done button located in the top right corner of your screen. You will then be prompted to set this customized lock screen as your new wallpaper pair. Confirm your selection, and your changes will be applied immediately. Now, enjoy your newly enlarged and more visible lock screen date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.